Hi my lovelies, in today's video we have an iPhone 12 Pro Max unboxing. This is a different kind of video for my channel, but I was so excited to get this phone that I decided to share my first reactions with you. So here I am pulling the packaging. That's pretty straightforward. The packaging is very slim, as you can tell. Here's the big reveal, ladies and gentlemen. Woohoo! Look at all those cameras in the back. Look at the glass. It is so sleek. Guys, I'm obsessed with tech and I love tech things, so I'm very excited to have this phone. Here's a close-up of it. It's so pretty. Now I'm pulling it out of the box. Look at how Apple has skimped on the accessories. Guys, there is no charger head with this phone. They are only sending you the adapter cord, and that's a lot of drama. But anyway, here I'm pulling off the screen protector. Look at the reflective quality of that screen. It's like a mirror. I love it. I love the size. It's so pretty. Here I'm showing you that it fits perfectly in the palm of my hand, but it's still not too small. I love the screen. Yeah, so as I was saying, guys, Apple, first they stopped giving us the headphones, now they stopped giving us the charger head. So who's next? We're soon just gonna be getting the phone only in these boxes. So here's the side of the phone. That's the power button that's gonna turn it on. Of course, one of the things I really dislike is that it smudges a lot. You can see my fingerprints all over the side of the phone there. That's the volume buttons. Here's the phone turning on. Okay, my lovelies, I hope you enjoyed the iPhone unboxing. Until my next video, be well.